To install the rock sliders on your Razor 200, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Set the parking brake and remove the key. Then, remove and discard the two lower side panel fasteners. Before continuing, ensure the end caps in the rock slider are secure. Next, align the rock slider with the mounting holes in the lower panel, and loosely install the two provided upper fasteners. Then, install the two provided fasteners into the bottom of the slider. And torque the fasteners to specification. Finally, torque the upper fasteners to specification. Once complete, repeat this process for the remaining rock slider. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.